Hello everyone. In this video lesson number 0, we're gonna download Codeblocks IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It increases the productivity of programmers. It also has autocomplete, helps building executables. It also has a compilation feature, and compilation is a necessary step for the program to be active. It also helps debugging. Debugging is showing the bug to the programmer so the programmer can fix it. To do that, we're gonna go to codeblocks.org in Google search, and right here we're gonna click on downloads. On the left hand side, make sure it says codeblocks.org downloads. On the right hand side, we're gonna click on the binary release, and on the top of the list here, my system is Windows 10, so I'm gonna click on Windows XP Vista 7, 8, 10, so my Windows is 10. And from this list, we're gonna download only and nothing else Codeblocks 2003 MinGW setup executable, and I'm gonna download it from FOSHub. And right now we're gonna see the download started. We're gonna wait until it's complete. Here we go. We're gonna go show in folder, and in here we're gonna double click on the executable. Click yes, and we can X this out. Click next, click I agree, click next, click install, and here we go, the installation has started. And the files are extracted now and installed individually. We have to be patient, it can take up to a couple minutes. And after the installation, Codeblocks will launch, and we're gonna execute a first program, possibly printing out hello world in the console. And if that is working, we have finished the first lesson, lesson 0, and the installation is successful. Right now the files are extracted and installed. Once the installation is complete, Codeblocks will run, and we have to modify some settings and make sure it works completely well. Okay, do you want to run Codeblocks now? Yes. And we're going to click next and click finish. Right now Codeblocks 20.03 is running. And the first thing we're going to do is go to settings and make sure a setting is clicked. Settings, compiler, and have GCC, follow C++ 17 ISO. Make sure this one is clicked. We're going to click OK. And right now I'm going to create a new project. Click console application, then click go. C++, click next. And I'm going to call this project Hello World. Click next. Click finish. On the left hand side, double click on sources, double click on main. As you can see, we have a hello world here, and I'm gonna remove return 0 and replace it with cin.get open and close parentheses, and we're gonna click build and run. As you see, it's printing correctly hello world, which means the compiler is working properly. I'm going to X this out and I'm going to show what happened. We're going to minimize the compiler for now, and we have a folder here called hello world. Double click on that, bin, double click, debug, double click, and here we see a hello world executable. If we double click on this, we should be able to see hello world again. The program we wrote generated an executable via the Codeblocks IDE. Here we go, hello world. The executable is working correctly. We can close this folder.